Hey ladies and gentlemen, this is Armando Video Tech, and today I decided to upgrade my laptop which I bought 4 years ago. And if you are interested to check the video, please click the link at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now for my SSD, I decided to buy the Kingston 240GB, and as for my old hard drive, I will use this DVD caddy to make it useful again. Now let's start. After opening the back panel of the laptop, just use that old case of the hard drive to install the SSD. Great! Now, don't ever forget to put those screws back in, which I did forget, so I had to open the back panel of the laptop again. Now, as I have said, I will use this DVD caddy to make this old hard drive as my second storage device. Note that this hard drive has 7200 RPM. It's very fast. See that? It fit very well. And as for this old DVD drive, I'll keep this. Will this be useful in the future? I guess not. So let's test the boot time of my laptop with the SSD. Before, I can get roughly 15 to 20 seconds of boot time, but now minus the logo thing, I can get roughly 7 to 8 seconds. The boot time is not the only reason why I upgraded to an SSD. It's because I use After Effects and Premiere to render my videos, so I need faster storage device. And now let's check if the hard drive is detected. That's my SSD, and this is my 750GB hard drive, which I partitioned into two. Great! Now, as for the After Effects, let's test it. Anyway, I did this already. I got 4 to 5 seconds. So, thank you very much. See you